day that the laptop comes in the mail. Yes, my MacBook Pro 13-inch is coming in the mail today. I'm waiting for it to arrive. Y'all stay tuned. It's about to get crazy. It's about to be hella videos posted on this channel. Make sure you go to Shay channel, Samuel channel, and subscribe to all our channels. The link will be down below for everybody's channel. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all when I'm opening it up. We're gonna open this box together, you guys. We're gonna do it together. So you guys, I ordered the laptop from Walmart. So I think it's coming through UPS. So let's just stay tuned and let's open the box, gang. Hey, how you doing? I appreciate this so much. Just gotta get a signature if you don't mind. Watch out. Alright. Alright, y'all, here is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting, feel like a whole damn month, but it only been like a week. But this is the MacBook Pro 2013. Psych, I lied. It's a 2017. It's a 13-inch. And how the fuck you open it?
Did you cut this side of tape off too?
Yeah. Oh, you can do over there.
Child, hold on, y'all.
It's a lot of taping, y'all. So
It's
a lot of tape.
So y'all, open that boy up.
okay, for the size.
Open that back.
See this on now. It's a lot of tape, bro.
At least it's secured. That's a good thing.
Facts.
Yeah, just in case they drop it.
Yeah. What's up, Cal?
I ain't gonna do it, Cam.
Finna go in there, play these little 5 hours.
Okay, get that money then. Okay,
It's black. But that what it look like.
It is space gray.
Just like Sam's.
Space gray.
Oh! MacBook
Let's
Pro.
go. Oh. Mama head is so hilarious. Okay, y'all. It is a touch bar, so let's go with that. Yes, touch bar. You feel me? Put that money in, you get what you want.
Don't see the touch bar. You feel me? You got the turn up, the turn down, the mute, the brightness up, brightness
Actually,
down.
I'll get off at 2:30 in the morning. Tomorrow.
Is this thing speaking?
Oh no.
Oh, this joint speaking.
Yo.
Hey, she speaking.
Hey, oh God.
She gotta set it up.
Let's do vision. Oh, let's do that. Where's your Wi-Fi?
Special.
Hold on, set that up right now. Hold on, Shay. Let me see.
Oh, it's right there.
I think the Wi-Fi name.
Oh, there you go. I'm like, how you make it brighter?
Oh. Okay, y'all. So, Hannah, do the Wi-Fi.
Alright, y'all. So currently she's putting in the Wi-Fi for me.
Wait, I forgot the numbers.
Oh, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Is a 2017 MacBook 13-inch Intel Core i7. I thought it was i5, but i7 is actually better. That's a blessing. Let's see how much storage I have in here. 250. That's awesome. That's good storage for me as far as a starter. As a beginner, you guys stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. You guys, so you guys can see I have the slick space gray MacBook 13-inch 2017 with the touch bar available. Yeah, let's go. And I'm gonna put this beautiful MacBook in the Juicy Couture case. Yeah. I'm so blessed to be doing this. Be staying tuned for more
hungry,
content. We finna turn up one love game.